spiritual world, or what? To that I have a very simple answer. When we talk about the material world, that is actually a philosophical concept. So in the same way, if I say that reality is spiritual, that's also a philosophical concept. And reality itself is not the concept. Reality is reality, from a philosopher's